mascara. I picking a flowers in my garden. Did you know this is the onion flowers? And also, Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers. And God bless to everyone. And subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget, please click bell the button below. And subscribe. It's so pretty, the flowers. Look at it's so pretty. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty flowers. Look at it's so pretty now. Bye-bye.